Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today let us discuss a problem in trigonometry at 10th level, and this problem you can find in your AP textbook, your AP Maths textbook, exercise 11.4, 10th problem. Okay, in other boards also sometimes they may ask this question. Why? Because it is very important. So all 10 students practice this question very well. Okay, so let us start our problem. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay, so first right, what is from right hand side I am proving, uh, or else I will prove, uh, yeah, I will prove from right hand side. What is given? Prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So from k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 I am proving this one. Okay, and the given one is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So substitute cosecant theta plus cot theta in k, means k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So then what we'll get? We'll get cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square, cosecant cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1. Okay, by, in denominator also same, but we will get plus 1 here. Okay, cosecant theta plus cot theta, cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Okay, now here, this in denominator and numerator, in both the cases, cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square and cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square, so these both look like a plus b whole square form. So I'll expand this form. So by expanding this form I will get cosecant square theta, cosecant square theta, sorry, cosecant square theta plus cot square theta. I will get here cot square theta plus 2 cosecant 2 cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 by, here also numerator denominator also same. I will get cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant cot theta, 2 cosecant cot theta plus 1. So by expanding this I will get these values. And here, if I observe here, minus 1 is there. So in I will take in identities, means here cosecant square theta plus cot square theta is there. So cosecant square theta plus cot square theta. Okay, cosecant square theta we can write as 1 plus cot square theta. By which identity? By identity number 3, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. According to that, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, so here, if I change this cosecant square theta as 1 plus cot square theta, then this minus 1 will be cancelled. I need this minus 1 to be cancelled, and here this plus 1 to be cancelled in denominator side. In denominator side I need this plus 1 to be cancelled. So what I will do is, here I will change cosecant square theta in numerator, and denominator I will change cot square theta. In exam they can give as reverse this question, means how, means if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta secant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k square minus 1 he will give. Okay, In this way they can give the question trickyly. Means then you have then the denominator will be the numerator and numerator will be the denominator. So then you have to change cot square theta in exam. Okay, just don't confuse, just I am saying in exam point of view how can they give, how can they change the question. Why? Because in 2018 they gave in this type they gave inverse, means where they gave k square plus 1 by k square minus 1. They didn't give k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So please be somewhat please read the question thoroughly. Okay, so let us continue it. Cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus now only I said I will change this one cosecant square theta here, and in denominator I will change cot square theta. Okay, so by changing cosecant square theta I will get 1 plus cot square theta here, plus cosecant square theta is normal as usual, it is there in numerator side, plus 2 cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta, and here 2 cot theta minus 1 here. So here minus 1, here plus 1, both are cancelled. Now it is sorry, here it is not cosecant square theta, here it is cot square theta only. Okay, divided by this one. Here I will change this one cot square theta. Okay, here cosecant square theta is the same, cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 1 plus 2 cosecant 2 cot 2 cosecant 2 cot theta, 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Here plus 1 no? Plus 1 plus here plus 1 and here minus 1 will be cancelled, and the remaining one is here numerator side 2 cot square theta plus 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta, 2 cosecant theta into cot theta is remained here, 2 cosecant theta into cot theta by 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta is remained here. So in this case I will take 2 cot theta common, and here I will take 2 cosecant theta common. Okay, in this one and this in numerator side I will take cot theta common, in denominator side I will take 2 cosecant theta common. Then taking common 2 cot theta here I will get 2 cot theta of cosecant theta plus cot theta, sorry, cot theta plus cosecant theta, cot theta plus cosecant theta we will get here, and in denominator side 2 cosecant theta of cot theta, sorry, cosecant theta, nothing will happen, both are same, cosecant theta plus cot theta. By taking common we will get like this. So here 2 cancelled, cosecant cancelled, cot cancelled. Okay, now the remaining one is cot theta by cosecant theta, cot theta by cosecant theta, means we can write this one as cot theta means what we will get adjacent by opposite, adjacent to theta by opposite, adj by opposite by hypotenuse by opposite, cosecant theta means cosecant theta means hypotenuse by this one will get. So here we got adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse, so adjacent by hypotenuse means what we'll get here, that is equal to cos theta, that is equal to cos theta. That one only he is asking us to prove, that is equal to just one, hence proved, hence proved. So this is the solution for this question. Of course many methods are there, You can see you can watch other videos, and which one you are feeling comfortable, you can practice that one. So thanks for watching my video. So if you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching my video.